Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create a payment link and settle to local banks in Flutterwave. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to create a Flutterwave payment link, you need to simply log in into your dashboard of Flutterwave. So once you are in your Flutterwave website, you need to navigate to the payment section. Once you're in the payment section, you need to simply click on the new payment link, and once you have done this, you need to choose a payment type as well. So for settling to local banks, Flutterwave settles local payments after 24 hours, and you can ensure your account is ready for settlement by completing all KYC documents. So this is how you can simply create a payment link and settle to local banks in Flutterwave. So to ensure your settlements are processed smoothly, you must complete your KYC, that is know your customer verification. If your account is under review, upload all required data and documents and contact support if needed. So by default, earnings are settled into your payout balance, and you can verify the setting in the business preferences tab under the settings of your dashboard. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.